6/13 of the audio files. So I'm going to say 6/13 of the audio files. People who love, I assume, music, something they hear. 6/13 of the audio files could discriminate between two products. If 28 of the audio files could not, so these can, okay? And then these can't. There's some people who can't. Well, what's left over? Now I know it's not really 13 people. You can see it's 28. There's more than just 13. But if we take a sample size of 13, then 6 can. And in our sample size, what does that leave for the people who can't? Well, it's still out of 13 because our sample size is 13. So it must be the other 7, right? 6 plus 7 is 13. So 7/13 of the audio files can't. Okay, so a little more can't than can. But then they tell me that 28 of the audio files could not. So that's down here with can't. So 7/13 of the total, the audio files, because let me make that more clear. A is the total audio files, okay? Audio files. File means to love something. If you're an Anglophile, you love England. If you're a Francophile, you love France. So anyway, 28 of the audio files. Well, they can't. So I'm going to put them. It must be that 7/13 of A is equal to 28, and then I can find. Oh, how many could? They want me to go back to the first one. They don't want me to find can't, but let me go ahead and I need to find A. So this is the only way I can think of at the moment to find A. So let's see, what will we do to find A? Get A by itself, that is to say. So, well, let's see. We'll multiply by the reciprocal. So we could divide by 7/13, but this is so much better, right? 13/7, if we multiply by that, that cancels. And the 7 cancels with the 28. There's 4 7s in 28. So I have A is equal to 4 times 13. That's 52. So there must be a total of 52 audio files. Now, they want to know how many can discriminate. Okay, well, if you recall, that's up here. That's the number that can. Okay, so I got to take 6/13. Let's do this. 6/13 of the total, which is 52, is equal to what? If I want 6/13 of something, I multiply 6/13 by something. That gives me, well, let's see, 13 and 52, they're related. There's 4 13s. Didn't I just say that the other day? Oh, yeah, right there. 4 times 13 is 52. So we know there's 4 13s. And so they cancel, because this is 52/1. And then we have 6 times 4 is 24. So we remembered to ourselves that there are a few less that could, and a few more that can't. But anyway, they wanted to know how many could. So that's how many could, 24 audio files.